I said count distinct is this is it, and you don't need to do some extra date. Now you can see like A now he visited their order date. Let's see, bought sushi on the same day, bought curry. A also bought on a different day, bought something else, and so but usually you count this as the 1 day, 2 days, 3 day, 4 days. So now when I say count distinct order date, so it's just going to count distinct order date, and this is what you're going to get. So distinct will only count like unique date. So it will consider this to be one, like that. So watch why I said that. So it gave me, it did a grouping. So number of days visited, that each customer visited the restaurant. A is 4 days, B is 6, C is 1, D is 6, and E is 3. But if I just do a count of it without putting any distinct, you see that the numbers are going to change. So you can see that A is 6, B is 6, C is 2, D is 7, and E is 5, compared to what we already have here. The number is reduced, so I think it's just the easiest way to so I think B didn't change. Obviously it looks like B's came at, or at least once. So if you, let's go to B, let's raise this up a little. So B, if you look at the date, you can observe that B, February 2nd, January 16, January 11, January 4, January 2nd, January 1st. So you can see that these are unique dates. So they came, even though they might have bought the same thing, but they came on different date to buy the same thing. So that will be the answer to the to that particular question. That's how many days has each customer visited the restaurant. So they say, what was the first item from the menu item purchased by each customer? Huh. Let me see. What was the first item from the menu purchased by each customer? That is interesting. Um, mm, Let me see. Okay. Um, this is interesting. I'll come up with a script for it. I, off the top of my head, cannot think of how to answer the question, but I think I'll end up coming up with a script for it. What was the most purchased item on the menu, and how many times was it purchased by all customers? So they're just going to do group by menu and stuff like that. So I'm just going to copy this, or let me just type new script here. Select product name underscore name. I'll do, again, I'll just do a count of product name, because you are just doing a count of it, how many times, what was most ordered, as most ordered from the combined underscore sales. Of course you need to do a group by, since you are doing an aggregate function. You do group by product name, and then I'm going to order by most order. So it will give me in descending order. So, oh sorry, order by most name in as descending order. I'll put descending, sorry. And so ramen looks like the most ordered, and so like that. I'll post a script for the rest, so you guys can test run it for the next questions and see. uh Off the top of my head, I have to look at what they meant in this particular question, and continue like that. Best of luck.